Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage and today is actually May 25th and it's YouTube Africa Creator Day. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make this amazing puff puff. So this was my second attempt and it turned out amazing. Now in the description I'm going to put my measurements and the ingredients that I used basically. And yes, this is the amazing delicious puff puff that I made. It's an African snack basically, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. So for this I'm using flour, sugar, vanilla essence, yeast, salt and nutmeg. So if you have milk as well, you can add it to it, and then you need water as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour my flour inside a bowl, so a bowl big enough to take it when it rises because of the yeast. Then I'm going to add my milk, sugar, yeast, salt, basically all the dry ingredients. So add it, your nutmeg and everything, and then begin to pour your water in slowly. So don't pour it like a lot. So you're just going to pour it slowly. Then you're going to be kneading it the way I'm kneading it right here. So the first stage is going to look like you're making bread. But once you add another round of water, it's going to look more like, the puff puff mix that you need.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack.
So this is what I'm doing right here, and this is what it finally looks like. Yes, this is the consistency you want. So what I'm going to do right now is cover it up and use another cloth to cover it, because you need as much not necessarily heat, but it needs to be in a very not cold place basically. So cover it as much as you can, and then this is what it's going to look like when it's risen. So guys, look at it, it has risen and this is what it looks like. So when you mix it again, it's definitely going to reduce its measurement, so don't be scared. But at this point, it's really light, and it's going to when you're frying it, you would see how it will just pop. So a small ball can just pop into a big puff puff. So let's go to the frying pan. So this is how you would do it. I mean, I've gotten better at it. At this point I was fresh with making my puff puff, but it's turned out really good. Don't worry guys, I know it's looking weird, but it's going to turn out really amazing. So you need enough oil to be able to take it. So guys, you need enough oil. Yes, you need enough oil. So you're going to fry it till it's golden brown, so just like this, and then you're going to just scoop it out of the frying pan and just dish it out right there. So this is what it looks like. It turned out really nice. I really enjoyed making this amazing African snack, and it's really delicious. I hope you guys try it. If you try it, tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations, and guys, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, our channel is growing. We need to increase the watch hours though, so please watch other videos. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.